Hello and good day everyone. We are from Group 9 and here are our group members. Our topic for this assignment is observation on the number of people returning their shopping cart to the cart area. Objective and hypothesis. The objectives of this study are firstly to observe the subject's behavior after using a shopping cart in multiple stores. Secondly is to determine the proportion of people returning a shopping cart after use. Next, the hypothesis of this study is that less than 50% of people being observed will return the cart back to the cart area after use. How is the observation conducted? Firstly, the observation is performed at 3 different stores which are Lotus IOI City Mall, Giant South City Plaza and TF Value Mart Teluk Intan, which involved shoppers as a subject. Next, the subject was observed from the time payment was made at the counter until it was completed. Upon observation, we identify whether the subject returned the card after use or not. Lastly, footage of the subject is recorded to ensure the integrity of the study. Footage of the observation. Here is some of the footage taken during the observation. The first footage was taken at Lotus IOI City Mall, which involved subject number 8. It seems that the subject came with a friend. After all the groceries were placed on the counter, the subject did not place the cart back and just put the cart behind the counter. Next footage is for subject number 25 and it was taken at TF Value Mart Teluk Intan. After all the groceries are placed on the counter, the subject put the cart back at the cart area. The last footage is taken from the Giant South City Plaza involving subject number 20. The subject did not return the cart back to its original place after all the groceries were placed on the counter.
Result. The data obtained is tabulated to determine the distribution of the subjects based on the gender and age. The total number of subjects observed is 25 people. It can be observed that the number of female customers was 12 with the percentage of 48%. Meanwhile, the number of male customers was 13 with a percentage of 52%. Next, young adult customers recorded the highest percentage, which is 56%, followed by 32% and 16% for middle-aged adults and old-age adults, respectively. The pie chart shown that 56% of the subjects returned their shopping cart and 44% of the subjects did not return it to the cart area. Discussion. Firstly, the presence of the signage "Please return the card" could be one of the factors that influence the subjects to return their card after use. Next, the involvement of other authorities such as security guards or store workers made the subjects believe that it is actually someone's job to collect the cards. The subjects also tend to follow other people's behavior whether they return the card or not. Last but not least, the companionship of the subjects such as friends or family members might also affect their behavior. To conclude, the behavior of the public, particularly in the process of buying the groceries using the card, was studied. Based on the result, it has been proved that we fail to reject the null hypothesis as more than 50% of the subjects will return the card to the card area after the payment is completed. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.